Hey, what's up, guys? This is Oscar from Oscar's Auto Designs in Corpus Christi, Texas. This is just a short video showing of a headliner we worked on. It's for a 1985 Chevy C-10 truck. It's just two-door, that's why the headliner is kind of small. This is the same vehicle that we made the pink center console for. It's in one of the videos that you'll see. But just a quick video how we built this. We started drilling the holes and gluing them, how it looks when it's finished, and I'll make a video soon how we put it together. I know I'm behind posting videos, but I've been super busy. And thanks for watching, guys. Y'all subscribe if you like it, leave a comment if you have any questions. And we have Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. It's all under the same name. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you.
Keep grooving, 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 keep grooving.